6 manual transmission internal part. Main shaft, main drive shaft, counter gear shaft, selector mechanism shaft, selector fork shaft, selector fork lock pin. Yan, lahat yan lock pin. Circlip locks, ball bearings, wheel bearings, gears and sliding hubs, stick bearing, steel ball spring, steel ball, tatlong pabilog, dalawang pahaba, isang maliit, synchronizer, bushing. Ito yung clutch fork, ito yung release bearing nya, transmission housing, main housing, ito yung kadugtong, pinakabuntot nya. And the last but not the least, yung mga nuts and bolts.